Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I am obsessed with gold accents in my kitchen, so this napkin holder was the perfect find.
This gold napkin holder by LEVIMETREE was truly the perfect find. I am obsessed with this kind of art deco, elegant design. I think it's really unique and really stunning. And like I mentioned, I have a lot of gold accents in my kitchen. So this I had to have. It was the perfect napkin holder. And believe it or not, I did not have one. And the napkins were a hot mess. It's such a simple thing, but it makes a world of difference just to have somewhere to place those napkins every day. And especially when you're entertaining, to be able to have them in one place. So easy to refill this. It fits standard napkins, or you could put smaller cocktail napkins in there. And if you are entertaining, if you need to move this around the house or bring it outside, move it over to the dining room table or wherever you are or your guests are, it's so easy. You just pick it up and bring it on over. So simple, sleek design. It does the job. It's easy to get the napkins out. They don't get tangled or stuck. And I am just in love with how gorgeous it is. I feel like a lot of detail went into this. They made it beautiful. It's such a simple product, but it doesn't have to look boring. I am obsessed with the gold accent and I love this napkin holder.
If you are looking for an elegant napkin holder that is going to do its job but also look beautiful, I recommend checking out this one. That's just my point of view.